2019 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, MP3 player, power windows, trip computer, passenger airbag. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.